kopie mu ewo atifi atoye mantan mu ne hono na Roman Catholic asori no eye women and men wo mu eku a ewo hono no omanya finhia no edu eno enam so ma wo mu ahye ho fa fefefe yenhwe se ne adwumadie no ekoye
Odi wani tremu ewo etifi epoye mantem no emoyade se ema ene mema won ewuroma asori no emu no won anyamfi eduanu ti won ehye ho fa ne fa na won ehye no nam so ema won edi health works nkokra ehye so ho ma botaye taye chi ni nanu ene se apomuden pa na afenso gidie ebekoso a atna ewuroma asori no emu na health work no ase no na enye asemketo akra eno nam so ema eye directors Edima Catholic Women Association Reverend Sister Ignatia Boaben Edi Ensemsei Eto Ija.
From the dawn of creation through salvation history to our own Ghanaian culture heritage and the mission of the church today, women have stood as custodians of life, faith, and the earth itself. Catholic women in particular are called to embody hope, not only in words, but in the care for creation, families, communities, and the church.
Nekasan Wachino ena eye Assistant Treasurer Edima Catholic Women and Men Association eye Madam Kasise Bridget and so Edi Ensemsei eka ho.
We have calmness. We have tranquility. We have harmony. Where there's no conflict, stress, or where everybody is cool with one another. That is what we say peace is. But you know, peace is relative. You can have all these in a place, yet there is conflict. Within ourselves, there is conflict. Because there are days you yourself, you don't even understand yourself. You are not you. So that is a conflict. Conflict is not just between my sister and I or my brother and I, but within ourselves, there's conflict. And if I am having conflict within myself, I don't have peace, how can I give peace?
We health work jumedie no yade se anso sanso de wani etremu ewo St Victor Major Seminary esanso koye wo mo adoye kese pa okoche wo mo enuane na afinso yesika na enye asemketo akra botaye taisa adoye nyina echi ene se wona woni bie no obetimi abo na wo nso ensa betimi akọ ano ne sasunti enam so ema woni monyamfo gona edi ensemsei eka ho.
Women, we know what goes on in the church. We are there, we give helping hand to the needy, we support the seminarian, we support the religious. Yes, basically that is what we do. And most other activities in the church, we take part as Catholic Women Association. It was formerly only men, but with time we realized that there was the need for us to add our men, because there are certain things we want to undertake and it's very difficult for us, and we need the support of our men. So that is why we started adding the men.